If you're writing code in the Visual Basic editor and you're using the default application settings, you may be familiar with a set of slightly annoying messages that pop up when you make mistakes. Just to demonstrate that, I'm going to try to select a cell, but I'm going to deliberately forget to insert the open double quote character in front of the cell reference. So when I press enter, this pop-up message appears, attempting to tell me what I've done wrong. That's my first problem with these messages. They don't often tell you correctly what it is you have done wrong. If we have a closer look, it's telling me that it's expecting a list separator, which I assume means a comma or a semicolon or similar, or a closed parenthesis character, and neither of those two things are the problem. The problem is I've missed out the double quotes. The second problem I have with the message is that if I want to fix the problem, I can't do that until I've clicked OK on the message. And I often find myself writing a line of code and deliberately leaving it half completed so that I can go away somewhere else and copy and paste code into the half complete line. And annoyingly, if I do that with this default option turned on, I've got to click OK on the message first before I can then go away and do what I want to do. So I prefer to code without those messages switched on. If you want to switch them off, head up to the Tools menu in the Visual Basic editor and then choose Options. On the dialog box that appears, find the first checkbox on the Editor tab that says Auto Syntax Check, uncheck that box and then click OK. Now if I just make the exact same mistake again in exactly the same way, we'll see a slight difference. When I hit enter, I can see the line has got a problem because it's highlighted in red, but I don't have to click OK on that stupid message before I can fix the problem. So for me, that really streamlines the way I write my code, and hopefully it'll do the same for you. Hope that was useful. Thanks very much for watching as always. See you next time.